Very good morning to everyone. In this lecture, CS8601 Mobile Computing, Unit-3 Mobile Network Layer. Now, the syllabus of Unit-3, first we have the introduction of Mobile Internet Protocol and also the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol architectures, and now discuss the ADAC network architectures and also the routing protocols. So, and the continuation of distance vector routing protocols and multicast routing protocols. Finally, the vehicle ADAC network and mobile ADAC networks, and also finally the security issues in the MANnet and WANnet. Today we are going to discuss the first topic, mobile internet protocol. In the internet protocols network, routing is based on stationary of internet protocol addresses, similarly to how a postal letter is delivered to a fixed address on the envelope. A device on a network is reachable through the normal IP routing. The IP address it is assigned on the network. The problem occurs when a device roaming away from its home network and is no longer reachable using the normal IP routing. This results in the active sessions of the device being terminated. Mobile IP was created to enable user to keep the same IP address while traveling to a different network, thus ensuring the roaming individual cloud continue communication without sessions or connecting being dropped. The mobile internet protocol is an open standard protocol. So it is defined by the Internet Engineering Task Force, that is IETF, in RFC 2002, that was allows user to keep the same IP address, that stay connected and maintain ongoing applications. While roaming between the internet protocol networks, the mobile IP is scalable for the internet because it is based on the IP. Any media that can support the IP can support the mobile internet protocols. So it is significant that while a user is connected to applications across the internet, and the user point of attachment changes dynamically, all connections are maintained the changes in underlying the network properties. Similarly to the handoff and the roaming situations in a cellular network, the mobile IP allows the mobile node to use two IP addresses. It is called as a home address and also the care of address. The home address is a static. It is one of the static address and known to everybody as a identity of the host. The care of address changes at each new point of attachment and can be through of an mobile node location specific address. Now, what are the terminologies of in this mobile IP address? Now we can move to the terminologies. The first terminologies is a mobile node. So in this system, the node that can be change the point of connection to the network without changing its IP address. The home agent, the router in the home network of the mobile node, which registers the location of the mobile node, tunnels the IP datagram to the COA when mobile node is away from home network. And what is a foreign agent? The router in the current visited network of the mobile node, which forward the tunneled datagram to the mobile node, also act as a default router for the registered mobile network. And what is the care of address, COA? It is a address of the current tunnel endpoint of an mobile node. Actual location of the mobile network or mobile node from an IP point of view can choose For example, it is a dynamic host control protocol DHCP. And finally the correspondent node, that is a communication partner between the base station to mobile station. Now we can see the structure of wireless communication in the mobile internet protocol. This is a home network and foreign network in the internet protocols. So the mobile host original home address is home network. So the subscriber is added first of all the home network, and to connect the internet protocols, that the foreign agent, it is one of the home address and also the care of address. So whenever the subscriber to move from one autonomous area to another autonomous area, the mobile user to identify the care of address to interconnect the server of the internet protocols. Now we can move the general structure of mobile internet protocol, how it is working of this mobile internet protocol. In this case, the mobile node A and another host, that is a server X. The server X want to transmit an IP datagram to the node A. The home address of A is advertised and known to X. The X does not know whether A is the home network or somewhere else. Therefore, X send the packet to A with A home address as a destination IP address in the IP header. The IP datagram is routed to A home network. At the A home network, the incoming IP datagram is intercepted by the home agent. The home agent discovers the A is in a foreign agent. A care of address has been allocated to A by this foreign network and available with home agent. The home agent encapsulates the entire data inside a new IP datagram with A care of address in the IP header. This new datagram with the care of address as the destination address is retransmitted by the home agent. At the foreign agent network, the incoming IP datagram is intercepted by the foreign agent. The foreign agent is the counterpart of the home agent in the foreign network. The foreign agent strip out the outer IP header and deliver the original datagram to the A point. In this intended to respond these messages and send traffic to the X. For example, X is not mobile. Therefore, X has the fixed IP address. For routing A, the IP datagram to X, each datagram is sent to the some router in the foreign network. Typically, this router is the foreign agent. A user X IP static address as the destination address in the IP header. The IP datagram from A to X travel directly across the network using the IP address as the destination address. Now, the working of a mobile internet protocol, there are the three different conditions or properties. First of all, a discover, that is a discover, registration and tunneling. Now we can see the structure. The discover process, a mobile node uses a discover procedure to identify the prospective home agent and foreign agent. The second one, registration. A mobile node uses a registration procedure to inform its home agent of its care of address. And the third one, tunneling. The tunneling procedure is used for IP datagram from a home address to care of address. Now we can discuss the one by one. The discovery, extension of the ICMP router advertisement. The home agent and foreign agent broadcast to agent advertisement at a regular interval. The mobile IP uses the control messages that are sent to and from user-defined protocol port 334. It is one of the agent advertisement. So it allows for detection of mobile agent, the list of one or more available of care of addresses, inform the mobile node about the special features, mobile node select it care of address, mobile node check whether the agent is an home agent or foreign agent. So now the mobile node can solicit for agent if they have not heard an agent advertisement in a while or use some other mechanism to obtain the COA or attempt, that's a care of agent, or temporary IP addresses, that is for example the DHCP. The mobile node know they are home when they recognize their the home agent. And then the registration, it is used by a mobile node to inform the agent, foreign agent that is visiting, the new care of address of the mobile node is sent to the home agent. The registration expires, the duration is negotiated during the registration. Mobile must register the before it expires. All registrations are authenticated. The mobile node send a registration request in the foreign agent, which passes it along to the home agent. In the home agent respond to the foreign agent, which then inform the mobile node that all is in order and the registration is completed. Now we can see the authentication purpose. The authentication procedure, the mobile node need to be authenticated in another autonomous system. So each mobile node in the foreign agent and home agent support a mobile security association for mobile entities indexed by the security parameter index and IP address. The registration messages between a mobile node and a home agent must be authenticated with a authorization enabling exchange. It is called the mobile to home authentication extension. It using the 128-bit secret key shared between the mobile node and home agent. So it is a digital signature is generator which allows the agent to authenticate the mobile node. At the end of the registration, triple containing the home agent address COA and the registration lifetime is maintained in the home agent. This is called binding of the mobile node. The home agent maintains this association until the registration life is expired. Now we can see the remote host and mobile host configuration. So first of all, there are the two mobile hosts, that is when the home agent, that is a mobile host agent, the mobile host when and home 1 and the mobile host after move. So the home agent, first we can send the request message in the foreign agent, that is a agent solicitation and agent advertisement, and then the registration request to the home agent to the mobile node, and registration is replied to the foreign agent, and also the mobile host after move from agent solicitation advertisement and registration request, again the registration record move to the another remote host, that is another autonomous area. So the another autonomous area of the phase of the server or host, if it is three procedures are needed, that is agent discovery, and phase 2 is a registration process, and phase 3 is a data transfer. Now we can see the types of encapsulations. There are the three types of encapsulation protocols are specified by the mobile IP address. The Internet protocol in Internet protocol, the IP in IP encapsulation and minimal encapsulation, generic routing encapsulation. The IP in IP encapsulation, it required supported full IP header added to the original IP packet. A new header contains the home agent address as a source and care of address as a destination address. And the second one is a minimal encapsulation. It is optional. It requires less overhead but record changes to the original header. The destination address is changed to the care of address and source IP address is maintained as it is. The generic routing encapsulation, it is one of the optional. It allows packet of different protocol suited to be encapsulated by the another protocol suite. So the types of tunneling or encapsulation supported is indicated in the registration process. So now today we have to discuss the mobile internet protocol, introduction on the mobile internet protocol. Now the next session we have to discuss the dynamic host configuration protocols. Thank you for watching this video.